Somebody ran into this car and put a nasty dent in it, but Paintless Dent Repair is going to turn it into this, so keep watching. Take a look at the nasty damage that we have on the quarter panel here of this Volkswagen. Obviously somebody ran into it, put some nasty creases into it, large dents. You can see the size of this damage is pretty extreme. A nasty dent. Got another one here, another dent that's pretty nasty, pretty good size damage. You're going to see how I'm using Paintless Dent Repair to take out this dent. Now first, I'm starting with the glue pulling method. The reason for this is just to minimize how much damage that I have to push out from the inside. You're going to see inside the trunk and see how much limited access I have. And that is the other reason, is because it's very tight, especially below the body line, on how much room I have to get a tool in there. So glue pulling first is the best option. Alright, now that I've got access inside this trunk panel into this quarter panel, I'm going to get up here and remove this sound deadening foam. Take a look up in here, you can see the inner wheel well, how tight that is down below the body line. Now I do have access all the way to the front, so I can get a PDR tool up in there to push on this, but I am still limited down towards the bottom. And what I'm going to do is going to pull out the tail light, and that's going to get me access into this better with a PDR tool. So obviously I can reach way up in there, but not down towards the bottom. So here with the tail light out, I'm going to go through this good opening that I have. You can see it's going to give me straight access, which is better than this huge angle from this point. Here I'm first starting pulling out this edge with the edgy hooker from edgytools.com. Then I'm going from the taillight here with a few different PDR tools. I'm going to continue pushing on this and pulling on it with some glue pulling, doing some hammering and blending it out until it's fixed. Alright, with some buffing and polishing to take out some minor scratches and shine it up and get the trunk all put back together. I'm going to pull it outside. We'll take a closer look at it. So here we've got the final result. Excellent repair here at Excel Dent Removal. If you need the damage fixed on your car and you want excellent results, give me a call, 763-780-4000, or visit my website, exceldentremoval.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe or like button for more videos on Paintless Dent Repair.